Hey guys, Igor here. In today's video, we will be doing how-to video about how to change air filter on a Ford Escape 2015 models. So it covers 2013 to 2019 models, also maybe applied for some earlier, some later models. So the air filter you need is CA1114. I will leave the link in the description. So here we go. Okay, the air filter located on the driver's side right here, where battery, and on the right side of the engine when we face the engine, when we look at the engine. So in order to remove this, we need 5/16 socket with extension and ratchet, or in my case it's just a screwdriver with a ratchet, and remove those 1, 2, 3, and this one is hidden. It's very important to see it. Right over there it's hidden, very easy to overlook. Those 4 bolts right over there. It's very easy to overlook. It's hidden. So we removed 1, 2, 3 and 4 bolts. Need to slowly pry it up and it comes off. Oh, now our filter is in really bad shape. It's cooked. So slowly lift it up. You see, the rule of the thumb when you can take a new filter and look in the sun or some light, if you be able to see the sign or light, it's good. But ours is definitely really bad. New one in. So these holes match with our gear and take hole. Yeah, this one brand new filter. Farm extra guard, 2 times engine protection. Slowly putting in, line up here. We gotta make sure that this part goes in this groove in the air filter housing, right over there. Okay, we played a little bit, wiggle, finally got in. You can see it's right in the groove. Went right in. Also the holes for the screws should match. Yes, in our case. Okay, now it's good. You can see all the holes matches, and the lid is very well sealed with the housing. I just tie them up one by one, slowly. I like to do it on diagonal, so they make sure you're not over time. You just make the hand tight till you meet strong resistance. Is good enough. It's not, it shouldn't be super tight. that's it. If you like this video or you found it helpful, would you please hit the like button, also consider subscribing, and see you in the next videos. Bye!